That was our Lacan candidate number 5. So last but definitely not the least, our candidate number 6, Lacan. Candidate number 6 is Mr. Chansen Roa, correct? Okay. So Chansen Roa, good evening. Do you want to have any message to your supporters?
Thank you for my supporters.
Okay, Chansen. Ready na sa question? Are you ready? So for your question, as an academic achiever, how can you relate your struggles in joining pageants?
As an academic achiever,
Hindi lang kita.
both pageantry and academic excellence is what gives opportunity to experience both worlds. Above all, we should manage we should time manage and not just academically nor in pageantry but in life.
Thank you so much, Chansen. So for your follow-up question, working as a seafarer takes a huge step in risking your dreams while being far away from your family. How will you manage this situation? Again, Chansen, working as a seafarer takes a huge step in risking your dreams while being far away from your family. How will you manage this situation?
I will still chasing my goals and maintain communication with my family and find the strength and knowledge that my sacrifices support their future.
Yes, I must agree with that, partner. Thank you so much. So palapakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, the last batch of our candidates for the preliminary interview. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.